Alright gang, this is the 74 Alfa Romeo that has the custom key ignition that I had to remove. And you can see there's a slotted plug there. I put that slot on that bolt and it fits. You can see that. See, it fits right in there. Yeah, it fits right in there. And so I put a slot in the top of that bolt, and because it's some sort of weird hex torx bolt, I don't know what the fuck it is, but anyway, I put a slot in it so that I could get a regular screwdriver on it and unscrew it and pull that ignition out. I'm leaving the wires on it, so when I go get another ignition, probably off of eBay, there's a guy, Mr. Fiat, or I can't remember what the guy's name is, but anyway, these guys sells like 100,000 parts a month. He sells that ignition, and just put another ignition on it. That's what this guy should have done, but he did not. But that's all you do. Put a slot on that screw, back it out, pull the ignition slides right out, and some really nice abuse here. And here's the floor pans. The guy bought these floor pans, and I guess he got scared, or just didn't want to do it. So whatever, that's all right. And so I guess I'm gonna have to master some welding here. But this is the kind of shit that scares me. Look, why isn't this in a tunnel? You know, I don't like seeing shit like this. But whatever. It's all fun and games. Anyway, alright gang, so there's how to put your new ignition in your 74 Spider. And man, I tell you, I'm just so proud of this job. This was a real bastard. But it runs. Fires right up and it runs. And it smokes. But so now the next thing to do is brake job. I'm not looking forward to that. Star Motors, or Star Classics. He sells all the parts for these cars. Go look him up on the internet. Star Classics. He's on YouTube. No, excuse me. He's on eBay as well. Star Classics. He has everything. Real friendly guy to deal with, Art. And yeah. That's where I'm at today. 2 videos. This is Kaiser. He's kind of an oddball. They've chewed up all their collars, so we're down to metal collars now. His buddy's in that little cave straight ahead. They excavate caves and they hang out there. But anyway, I got some tarps coming. I'm going to hide my cars underneath my carport for the winter so I can work on them out of the snow. If you want to deal in a ponton, let me know. I got 3 of them. I'd like to just have one. Or this 74 Alpha. I'd probably deal it off. And then this 80 XL 1000. I think it just needs a battery. It might need some other service, but I don't think it's going to be much. And it needs brake service. That's pretty easy. And then this guy, the 2002, I gotta go get a hoist, and I think I'm gonna pull the motor first, put the new motor in, see if that runs, which it should, and then I'll go get that 5-speed conversion kit to mount the 245 box that you can see over there in the distance. There's conversion kits for these. I don't know nothing about 2002 BMWs, so there are conversion kits to utilize the mounts from the 4-speed transmissions, so you can hook up your 5-speed transmission. And I'm just learning all this on Facebook forums on these cars. I need to cut through all the bullshit and just get to the information that I need. Something like if you're in a university, you read 50,000 pages and you really get, all you really need is 3 pages of information. So anyway, I think this is going to be a neat one. I'm going to do carbureted. I might do an electronic ignition on it just to get a hotter spark. The only problem with a hotter spark is you tend to wear out the caps and rotors faster. But you can operate a car that's got worn out guides and it'll still keep going. So, alright gang, we'll see you on the next YouTube.